visuals, viewers, the big breaking news that's coming in from Hyderabad, where BJP workers have hit the streets in protest against Rahul Gandhi. Dramatic visuals coming in from Hyderabad, where the BJP workers have hit the streets holding effigy of Rahul Gandhi over his anti-Hindu rant. BJP cadres have hit the streets protesting against the anti-Hindu remarks of Rahul Gandhi in the Lok Sabha. In his address replying to the debate on the motion of thanks by the president, Rahul Gandhi of course made several comments insulting Hindus. His speech, parts of it that were expunged from the records. Aneri, take us through the situation that you're witnessing in Hyderabad.
The police officials are trying to stop the protesters as they want to burn the effigy of Rahul Gandhi. They had given a call to protest, to move towards Gandhi Bhavan here in Hyderabad. Well, remember, this is amid the Rahul Gandhi's comments which he had made in Lok Sabha. Days after that, we had seen that how there was a massive outrage among the people across the country, and as you can see, BJYM leaders having a tussle between the police officials, and also as the BJYM protesters want to burn the effigy. However, the police officials are trying to stop them. Well, the heavy police deployed here, and also at the same time, remember how there has been a growing demand that Rahul Gandhi must apologize to the people of India over his comments. Well, remember how there has been a massive face-off when Prime Minister Modi was also talking. Well, as you can see, the BJYM protesters have now sat down on the road as police is trying to prevent them, to arrest them from here, and also will try and also get a word from the BJYM protesters here. Well, as you can see, why are you protesting? Why are you protesting?
Actually,
what's the demand?
Rahul Gandhi, he gave statement against of Hindu. He is not a Hindu. Why he is giving against of Hindus, Hindu dharma? Who is he? He is not at all Hindu. Why he is giving? And if we say Bharat Mata ki Jai, he will say something. What happened to him? Why he is against of Hindutva and
What do you have to demand? What do you have to say? So as you can see now, the BJYM protesters who are staging protests, they had planned to move towards the Gandhi Bhavan, that's the Congress party office. Well, now the police officials have stopped them here itself at the road as they were trying to move towards Gandhi Bhavan. But as you can see, police officials are arresting all the protesters. Even the women protesters are being arrested by the police officials here. Well, see, one demand which has been growing, that is Rahul Gandhi has to apologize, is what everyone has been asking after he made anti-Hindu comments. And also well, remember how Prime Minister Modi had also spoken about what he had done, what he had spoken in the Lok Sabha. But now, after we see that there has been a protest which broke out across the country, now we see that protest is also being done by the BJYM leaders here.
आज पूरे संसद में राहुल गांधी ने जिस तरह से 110 करोड़ हिंदुओं की भावनाओं को ठेस पहुंचा है, आज भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा इसका विरोध ये देश में हिंदू हो रही 110 करोड़ की जनता अपने आप को गर्व से हिंदू कहती है। जय श्री राम।
As you can see, the people here have been saying that why isn't Rahul Gandhi apologizing? Why isn't Rahul Gandhi apologizing? And also at the same time, the BJP cadres hit the street here. They tried to burn the effigy of Rahul Gandhi, and also the police officials, however, stopped all of them from burning the effigy. But then they sat down on the road, raising slogans against Rahul Gandhi. Well, only one demand which has been growing across the country, and that is Rahul Gandhi must apologize. And as you can see, a massive protest, massive face-off between the BJYM supporters, BJYM protesters, and also the activists, and between the police officials, as BJP had given a call to move towards Gandhi Bhavan, that is the Congress Party office. But however, they have been stopped here near the BJP office itself, and they are not allowed to go ahead. There is heavy barricading which has been done at the Congress Party office as well. Well, remember, it's the Congress government here in the state of Telangana, and very clearly, as you can see, the police officials are now all detaining all the